We've set up this place in order to grow wildflowers to plant out on many of our different sites across the Chilterns. So these wildflowers are specific to certain pollinators, certain butterflies, and they are ones that you will find in the chalk grass and habitat that you get in the Chilterns. Today, with the help of our volunteers, we've been laying a patio in the polytunnel, so a path. We have been making some raised beds. So we've got 2 wonderful raised beds outside, so we're just filling those up at the moment. And we are also painting our accessible raised beds some lovely bright colours. Most of the flowers we're growing in here will be British native wildflowers, planting out on sites around the Chilterns. So the idea is to grow from seeds of local provenance, locally collected seeds. We have also got a nice selection of pollinator-friendly ornamentals, things like echinaceas, rudbeckias, and a few food plants for the volunteers to snack on when they come up here. So we've got a few salads and fruit bushes outside as well.